those out of the 14-point Caslon light drawer right there. It's a different size in each drawer. There's a different letter in each of the cubbies. So before we can print anything, we need to spell out everything we want to print. We're working on a bookmark here for a wedding reception. So then it gets locked up in a frame. And I will show you what we are printing today. We have these bookmarks about camping in the rain, right down there. And on the back, I am printing this lovely blue heron and the logo of our shop. We can only print one color at a time and only print one side at a time. So we need another printing here to print the tent. So it will come out looking like that. This whole frame then goes into the craft